Introduce today. Give your sister a pair of shorts to wear together with a shirt or t-shirt. For middle age, this style of pants will be thigh level. And it'll have a slanted bag and a zipper in the front. The back is also the normal back, but it'll have a strap for us to tie the bow part to make the style. 2. To draw this pattern, we need to have a metric. Your waistline and your ass will be measured. Each person will have a waist measurement. This ass is different. If you can measure, go to the channel and find the video clip. Let me show you how to get these to measurements. So now we're going to go into the design. As a first step, we'll get the trousers. And these pants are going to be of the part thigh. So I'll take it long. I bought this pair of pants. 38. It depends on the height you get. I'm going to determine the length of the trousers here. Then I'll define the dimension. Your ass will be your ass. Divide by 4 sisters plus 5. This year we have a back. But divided by 4, the ass is 80. Dividing 4 plus 5 is 25. 25, I'll take it down. Then the hips, you'll take the hips. Divided by 4, plus 3. There are no pleats in these pants. Then the hip is equal to 80 divided by 4. If we add 3, we are 23. From this point out here, you're 23. Then split it in half. Let's split it in half so we can get this main road. You're going to draw a straight line from the bottom up. Stomach. Then from the road back up, there are 3 meters of gas. Starting from this point I measured, it would be the waist. 8 minus 1 waist is 64 and 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. From here you will measure 7. Then I connected it. I'll beat the crotch. And you guys go straight down this road. It's going to be a little bit longer from here. I connected to the part lie. And then you're going to rebuild it. It's a perpendicular line. We'll get the pants. From here, you will measure through this angle by the waist. Divide 8 plus 1. 64 divided by 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. I measured from here. This word is equal to these 9 parts, sisters number 1. I connected this road into the sidewalk Then you'll get a pant sticker. When you connect it, it goes through the hip. Where, here you will get another piece. 2. And I'll give it the right one. A straight line that I crossed. I'll add this to it. That's when you put the ruler. Then it goes through the ass. A certain part of the waist, and I'm going to come out here. Then this will be, if it's right, this will be the pants. This one is a little wider. The body behind the body before me is done. Now I will. Remember that the body in front of it will have a 4 gas back. I'll take 4 of these except here. Then you'll measure from top to bottom. It's the part. It's 11 times the size of your hand. Plus a centimeter of gasoline from top to bottom. And then from here, you'll go. But gasoline. If we cook it, we will get the bag. In this position, I always talk about the way. Let's draw for the pocket. Then from here you step back and there's 3. From the midpoint back into 3 petrol. I built a perpendicular line. And stretching this section at 6. Then you'll plug in and split a third. And then we're going to start from this position, which is where the bag is. From the mouth of the bag, from where the mouth of my pocket comes down is 6 petrol. Then you join this third. I split this part in half. I will paint the part. The pocket is here. I think this will be my pocket. You will paint on the body. Then I got the paper. If you cut it off, you will get the bag. And now I'm going to cut the body. And this body, please note, has no seams. I have to leave the seam. If I cut it on paper, it doesn't have a seam. Here we will get a body. After we've painted the body, then you move in. We'll draw the back body. I put the back up. I'm going straight up a road. I'm out of the way. On the back of the front 2 inches. From here, you just cross a street. This way, it will depend. This road I've highlighted. This horizontal bold line here. It depends on the back. This is the back. My waist is 64. It's smaller than 65. So from this position I'm going to come out here with 2.5 petrol. From the dot angle, the starting point of each name is 2.5 gasoline. What if you have an ear greater than 83? Then you take 5 more gasoline. 5 is 5.5. 80 to 8, you take it from here. This is the year in general. From the dot comes the arrow. It's going to depend on this red line. Let's see which number it corresponds to in red. Then we're going to measure that number backwards. Here my red line is 64. If it's less than 65, it's 2.5 inches. And then after you're done with that, then we'll start. Take the waist. It's the waist. Divide by 4 and add 2. 6 4 divided by 4. If I add 2, I will be 18. I came across this as 18. I will get to be 18. Then, now I'm going to draw the back body. From this point, you'll cross a line. From the bottom of the front, then you cross it. There will be red lines. From this red spot, you're going to measure it back by a number called as divided by 4. It's equal to 80 divided by 4. It's equal to 20. From this point on, you put the ruler straight across the street. I'll take 20 here. So let's start at this point. You've just measured another way with your as. Divided by 10. Minus for 1. 80 divided by 10 minus 1 is equal to 7. From this point you are 7. And then I'm going to put this body back down. From this point, you get to gas. From this point, from this blue point, to petrol. Then I connected this part. And then you take this 2.5 inch point. Then we'll connect 2.5, and the red spot I just dotted. And from here it's a 1/2 inch. Then we can paint the bottom of the pants. Next, you guys have to gas. Here you have to petrol. Then we'll connect the waist into the side road. Okay, we're going to go from the waistline to the flank line. It's located here. It's a 2 gas point, and I'll take the road back of the hybrid part. And we split this part in half. Let's draw something. Vertical side section. You're going to draw from 10 or 14 to 16. 14 to 16. But here we will have the back, you guys. Cut across the back. The rest is up to me to adjust. And the magnitude of this is to gasoline. This back has a size of for gasoline. Then we'll get the back body. And this theater is unsewn. You have to cut the seams. Then we'll get the body. Front and back like this. You guys have two bodies. Now I'm going to cut this back. I cut off this back. This will be the front. And this will be the back. 2. This is the back, and I cut this way out. You'll connect this road. Then you will. This is the front back. This place will be the one. The flank line connects to the back flank line right here on the hip. Then stick this in. You will get the back of the pants. Then you will cut the part that it is. If there is no curve, we will cut it all. If you are lucky, you will put the body first. I put my back in the back. I am lucky. I'm going to put my back in like this. Then you'll get a whole set of the shorts. You can wear this again. T-shirt or shirt. All right. Well, if you have something you don't know, if you have any questions, please comment below. I'll see the comments and respond to you when I see. This is the front and back of the pants. And these are the back rooms and the sleeping times. Thank you Shin Cho and see you.